There are a lot of Disney channels out there. How-tos, guides, ride POVs, and we watch a lot of them. But we're not here to tell you that Disney's perfect or that it's ruined. We're here to have an honest conversation with you about a place we genuinely love.
Hey, it's Lee and Lee with All About the Duck. Yeah, I know, two Lees, it gets confusing.
Yes, and we've been coming to Disney World for over 30 years. We're DVC members, we're travel agents, and
annual pass holders,
and we genuinely love this place.
We still love it completely and honestly.
And we'll keep coming back.
Yeah, so we want to talk honestly about what this place is. Not what it was, not what we want it to be, but what it actually is.
And why we keep coming back. We'll show you that.
But we also think it's okay that we talk honestly about what it is, even after every price update, app update, ride closure. After all the changes, we still love the place.
And we're still going to be coming back year after year.
And we just want to talk honestly about what it is.
On this channel, we talk about the magic that still stops us cold after 30 years of visits. We talk about the stress, the app, the planning, the moments where the system gets between you and the experience you came for. We talk about what Disney World does better than anywhere else on Earth, and what it's genuinely lost that we still miss. We review resorts, we find the food worth eating, and tell you honestly about the food that isn't. We show you the details most people walk right past. We're not influencers, not locals who go every week, just two people who love Walt Disney World, who have loved it for 30 years and want to have an honest conversation about it with people who feel the same way.
Funny.
If you think Disney World is perfect and you don't want to hear any criticism about Disney World, this probably isn't your channel.
And if you think Disney World is completely ruined and not worth going anymore, this is probably not your channel either.
But if you still love this place
and you want to have some honest conversations about what it is, this might be the place for you.
yes, if you still are in Fantasyland thinking, how did my vacation get so complicated?
And even if it's complicated, you're probably still booking your next trip on the drive home. This is your place. Go ahead and subscribe to All About the Duck. We put out new video about Disney World every week. And as always,
See you real soon.